Want to learn how to create an amazing YouTube channel from scratch? If you're passionate about something and eager to share it with the world, starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting journey. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to build a successful YouTube channel, gain subscribers, and potentially earn passive income. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche. The first thing you need to do is find your niche. A niche is the specific topic or area you'll focus your content on. Think about it like this. What are you passionate about? What do you love talking about? Here's how to think about finding your niche. Think about your interests. Write down topics that excite you. It could be gaming, cooking, fashion, fitness, or technology. Choose something you can create content about consistently. Assess your skills. Consider what you are good at. If you have a talent or unique knowledge, this could be your niche. Teaching others can be very rewarding. Research trends. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube search suggestions to identify trending topics within your area of interest. This helps you uncover what's popular and what viewers are searching for. Once you define your niche, you'll know what direction your channel will take, which makes planning your content easier. Step 2. Create your channel. Now that you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to create your YouTube channel. Sign up for a Google account. If you don't have one yet, create a Google account. This will allow you to access YouTube and manage your channel. Set up your channel. Click on Create a Channel on YouTube. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche and is easy for viewers to remember. Design your brand. Create a banner and profile picture that are visually appealing and representative of your channel. This is your chance to communicate your brand's personality. Write a channel description. In the channel description, tell viewers what your channel is about. Use relevant keywords related to your niche to optimize it for search engines. Step 3. Plan your content. Next, planning your content is crucial for consistency. Here's how to keep your audience engaged. Brainstorm content ideas. List out potential video topics that align with your niche. What questions do people have? What skills can you share? Think of creative angles to approach these topics. Create a content calendar. Decide how often you'll upload videos, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. A content calendar will help you stay organized. Diverse content. Don't be afraid to mix things up. Incorporate different formats like tutorials, Q&As, or interviews to keep your channel fresh and exciting. Script or outline. Create an outline or script for each video. This ensures you cover all important points and helps maintain the flow during filming. Step 4. Filming your videos. Once you have your content planned out, it's time to start filming. Here are some tips for producing high-quality videos. Choose your equipment. You don't need expensive gear to start. A modern smartphone with a good camera can work well. However, investing in a good microphone will greatly enhance your audio quality. Lighting matters. Find a well-lit area for filming. Natural light works wonders, but if you're filming indoors, consider investing in softbox lights for the best outcome. Set up a clean background. Keep your background neat and relevant to your content. A simple, uncluttered space helps keep the focus on you. Engage with your audience. Talk to the camera as if you were speaking to a friend. Engage your viewers with enthusiasm, and don't be afraid to show your personality. Plan for duration. Aim for a video length that balances detail and engagement. 8 to 15 minutes is usually a sweet spot for most content. Step 5. Editing your videos. Editing can transform your raw footage into polished content that viewers will love. Here's how to edit effectively. Choose editing software. Beginners can use free software like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. More experienced editors might opt for Adobe Premiere Pro. Cut out mistakes. During the editing process, remove any unnecessary parts or mistakes. Clarity and quality matter. Add visuals. Incorporate graphics, text overlays, and images to help explain your points or emphasize key pieces of information. Visual content keeps viewers engaged. Include background music. Use royalty-free music to enhance your video. Just make sure to check licensing to avoid copyright issues. Create an eye-catching thumbnail. Design custom thumbnails that are bold and clear, giving viewers a preview of what to expect in your video. Thumbnails can significantly increase your click-through rates. Step 6. Optimize your videos for search. To grow your channel, optimize your videos for discoverability. Here's how you can do that. Use relevant keywords. Conduct keyword research to find popular terms relevant to your video. Include these keywords in your title, description, and tags. Craft catchy titles. Write clear and engaging video titles that accurately represent your content. Incorporate your primary keyword for better SEO. Write detailed descriptions. Use the description box to provide context. Write a brief summary of the video, incorporating keywords naturally so viewers can find your content easily. Engage your audience. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of your videos. Engagement can help improve your rankings on YouTube. Step 7. Promote your channel. Once your videos are live, it's time to promote them. Here are ways to gain visibility. Share on social media. Use platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to share links to your videos. Tailor your messages for each platform. Join communities. Participate in forums and groups related to your niche. Be helpful and share your expertise before promoting your content. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with fellow YouTubers can help both parties grow their audiences. It's a win-win. Utilize email marketing. If you have a mailing list, send out newsletters whenever you post new content. This drives engagement and keeps your subscribers informed. Step 8. Analyze and adjust. Now that you've launched your channel, it's crucial to monitor its performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your progress. Analyze the key metrics. Focus on watch time, viewer demographics, and click-through rates. This data helps you understand which content performs well and what areas need improvement. Seek viewer feedback. Encourage viewers to leave comments and insights. This feedback can help you improve your content and enhance viewer satisfaction. Experiment with content. Don't be afraid to try new styles and formats. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt based on the feedback and performance data you gather. Conclusion. Creating a successful YouTube channel from scratch may seem challenging, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. Remember to find your niche, create engaging content, optimize for search, and actively promote your channel. Stay patient and be consistent in your efforts. Growth may take time, but by following these steps, you'll build a thriving community and potentially earn passive income along the way. Are you excited to start your YouTube journey? Get ready to share your passions with the world and make an impact.